We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what they say about the TUONROAD Boys Girls hoodies. 3D printed cool hooded lightweight 616. Tee hooded pullover sweatshirt for kids. If you have this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. Starting with the first impressions, the TUONROAD hoodie stands out for its vibrant 3D printed designs that immediately catch the eye. Parents and kids alike are drawn to the bold colors and unique patterns, which are a major selling point for this hoodie. Many reviewers mention how much their children love the visual appeal, often singling out the hoodie as their favorite piece of clothing. The 3D graphics are not just printed on the surface, but are integrated in a way that maintains their brightness and clarity even after multiple washes. This is especially important for kids' clothing, as frequent laundering can often dull prints. But TUONROAD's printing technology seems to hold up well over time according to user feedback. The hoodie is designed for children aged 6 to 16, making it versatile for a wide range of ages and sizes. The lightweight construction is another highlight, with parents noting that it is suitable for layering in colder months or wearing on its own during milder weather. The material is described as silky soft both inside and out, which is a significant plus for comfort. Multiple reviews specifically mention the softness of the interior lining, with some parents surprised at how plush and cozy it feels against the skin. Kids are reportedly eager to wear it daily, a testament to the comfort level provided by the fabric choice and construction. Practicality is another area where the TUONROAD hoodie receives praise. The inclusion of a front pocket adds functional value, giving kids a place to warm their hands or store small items. The hood itself is well-sized, providing additional coverage without being too bulky or restrictive. The pullover style is easy for kids to put on and take off independently, which is appreciated by both parents and children. The lightweight nature of the hoodie also means it can be easily packed into a backpack or carried without adding much weight, making it ideal for school, sports, or travel. Durability is always a concern with children's clothing, and the TUONROAD hoodie generally receives positive marks in this area. While the fabric is lightweight, it is not flimsy, and most users find that it holds up well to the rigors of daily wear. The stitching is reported to be solid, with no significant issues of unraveling or tearing even after repeated use. Some parents note that the hoodie maintains its shape and color after several washes, which is crucial for an item that is likely to see heavy rotation in a child's wardrobe. However, as with any lightweight garment, there are occasional reports of minor pilling or wear over time, particularly if the hoodie is subjected to rough play or frequent washing on high heat. These instances appear to be exceptions rather than the norm, and overall durability is rated favorably. Sizing is another aspect that comes up frequently in reviews. The hoodie is available in a range of sizes to accommodate children from ages 6 to 16. Most users find that the sizing is accurate, with the fit described as true to size. Some parents recommend checking the size chart carefully, especially if your child is between sizes or prefers a looser or more fitted look. The flexibility in sizing makes it easier to find the right fit for different body types, and the pullover style allows for some leeway in terms of how snug or relaxed the hoodie feels. When it comes to warmth, the TUONROAD hoodie is considered lightweight, making it best suited for spring, fall, or layering during winter. It is not intended to be a heavy-duty winter jacket, but rather a comfortable and stylish option for everyday wear. The soft lining provides a moderate amount of insulation, enough to keep kids warm on cool days without causing overheating indoors. Parents appreciate the versatility, as the hoodie can be paired with a t-shirt for milder weather or layered under a coat when temperatures drop. One of the most commonly mentioned positives is the value for money. The TUONROAD hoodie is priced competitively, offering a combination of style, comfort, and durability that many parents find appealing. Several reviewers mentioned that the hoodie exceeded their expectations given the price point, with some calling it a great deal for the quality received. The fact that kids are eager to wear it regularly adds to the perceived value, as it quickly becomes a go-to item in their wardrobe. In terms of brand reputation, TUONROAD has built a solid track record with a range of 3D printed apparel for both kids and adults. The brand is known for its creative designs and reliable quality, with an average rating of 4.3 to 4.4 across thousands of reviews for various products. The specific hoodie in question has a customer rating of 4.4 out of 5 based on over 460 ratings, indicating strong overall satisfaction. Positive feedback centers on the design, comfort, and fit, while negative comments are relatively rare and typically relate to individual sizing preferences or isolated quality control issues. Despite the overwhelmingly positive feedback, there are a few areas where some users see room for improvement. A small number of parents mention that the hoodie is thinner than expected, which may not be ideal for colder climates unless layered with other clothing. Others note that the fit can be slightly snug for children at the upper end of the size range, so sizing up may be advisable for a more relaxed fit. There are occasional reports of the print fading slightly after many washes, but these are not widespread and seem to depend on washing and drying methods. Following care instructions, such as washing in cold water and avoiding high heat in the dryer, can help preserve the vibrancy of the 3D print. Another minor point raised by some users is the limited range of designs available in certain sizes. While the 3D prints are a major draw, not all patterns are offered in every size, which can be disappointing if a child has their heart set on a specific design. However, the overall variety is still considered good, with plenty of options to suit different tastes and preferences. From a usability perspective, the TUONROAD hoodie is easy to care for, with most parents reporting that it washes well and dries quickly. The lightweight material means it does not take long to air dry, and it resists wrinkling, making it low maintenance for busy families. The hoodie's construction is suitable for active kids, allowing for a full range of motion without feeling restrictive or heavy. Whether worn to school, sports practice, or casual outings, the hoodie adapts well to different activities and environments. The hoodie's popularity among kids is evident from multiple reviews stating that children want to wear it almost every day. The combination of comfort, style, and practicality makes it a favorite for both boys and girls. Parents appreciate that the hoodie encourages their children to dress independently thanks to the easy pullover design and comfortable fit. The positive feedback from both kids and parents underscores the hoodie's appeal as a reliable and stylish choice for everyday wear. In summary, the TUONROAD Boys Girls Hoodies 3D printed, cool hooded lightweight 616 T hooded pullover sweatshirt for kids is highly regarded for its eye-catching designs, soft and comfortable fabric, practical features, and overall value. The hoodie is lightweight yet durable, making it suitable for year-round use with appropriate layering. Sizing is generally accurate, and the fit is comfortable for a wide range of body types. While there are minor concerns about thickness and print longevity in some cases, these do not detract significantly from the overall positive impression. The brand's reputation for quality and creativity further enhances the product's appeal. If you are looking for a stylish and comfortable hoodie that your child will love to wear, the TUONROAD 3D printed hoodie is a strong contender. The vibrant design, soft fabric, and practical features make it a standout choice in kids' apparel. The overwhelmingly positive feedback from parents and kids alike speaks to its popularity and reliability. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you have purchased this hoodie, please share your own review in the comments to help other parents and kids make the best choice.